Hello everyone. Today in this lesson, we are going to talk about Elementor and Elementor Pro. Elementor is a plugin for WordPress and it is mentioned as a website builder. That means with this Elementor, you can design website simply just drag and drop. So let's move to the screen and let's see about Elementor and Elementor Pro. Now in Google, if you come and just write Elementor and hit enter, you will see elementor.com. So Elementor is a plugin and this is the website, official website for Elementor. And you can see the Pro plugin for Elementor cost $59 for one website, and for 25 website you will get $199, and 1000 Pro website you will get $399. In this video, I will also share the Elementor enterprise package with you, so you can easily get the Elementor Pro pack just from watching this video. So be with this video and I will share the Elementor Pro link with you all. Now we are in our dashboard of the WordPress. So if you don't know how to install WordPress in a live server, you can check out the video in the I description in the top right portion of this video. Here you can see I will install a theme. So here for now we are having 2023 theme, and in the last video I showed some good theme, how to install some theme. So we will install a Hello Elementor, this one. So install this one. You can also go with Astra, this is also a good theme, but for now we will go with Hello Elementor one, and then we will install plugin, that is Elementor. So here you can see we don't have any plugin. Now here it says thanks for installing Hello theme, and it requires to install Elementor, but let's say I will install it manually just to show you. So from here you will see, you will search for Elementor, and you will search for this one, and here you will see install Elementor. Now we will activate this one, and you can see our Elementor plugin has been activated. Now if you go to the website visit, you will see we have only these options, nothing else. So to create a page, that means each website has a home page, about page, and other service pages like this. So to create a page, here there is an option, page option. Okay, so we will create a page. Now let's say I will create a page, all page, and here we have two simple pages. So I will remove these two pages for now, and let's create a new page. So click on add new and give a page name. Okay, so we need to give a page name here. So let's give the page name is home. Okay, so this is our first page, home page. And then here you have to select the template. Okay, so we will select the template as Elementor full width. Okay, this one, Elementor full width template, and then hit publish and select publish again, and our page has been published. Now if you go back and see, we have the home page. Now click on edit, or let's say let's view the page. Okay, for now if you go and view this page, so you can see we have a home page with the our site name, and then there is a footer option but nothing else. So we will design something inside this page. Okay, so now let's click on edit, and then we have to go with edit with Elementor, this option. So click on edit with Elementor, okay, just cut this one, cross this one, and see, you can see you are having this option. Okay, so this is actually the header, this is the footer option. So we will deal with header and footer in other lessons or other video. Just for now I want to show about Elementor, how it works. So let's say this is our page. So here you can see there is an option drag widget here. So here if you click the plus button, you can see you can select a section. So each in a website page, part by part there is a section. That's, so let's say I am putting one what is called container. So this is called container, and if you cut, and you can see again plus button and select the structure, so you can select the structure from here. So I will select this one, and then if you go to this element, so these are the elements for Elementor, and you can see some are locked. That means for pro version, if you install the pro version of Elementor Pro, then you can access these features, but for free you can access only this. So let me go with the free thing first. So here you can see there is a heading option, so let's give the heading of this one, and let's say okay, and you can see this is the header, and you can have a pad in here, advanced, and then you can see there is a option padding, and I will keep the padding in percentage. So let's say in the top I will give 5% padding, and in bottom I will give 5% padding. So if you have some knowledge about CSS, then you will know about padding. And then if you go on style, and you can see, if you go to layout, and you can see this one, which option you want to keep. You want to align this in center, left, right, or so I will keep it in center. And then you can change the style color of this one. So let's say I will keep it in a text color this, and now let's say I will add something in bottom. Now click on this one and click on inner section, and I'm taking an inner section element. So inside this section I'm taking an inner section, and here I'm giving some text editor. So see, each thing is working with the element. So I'm giving a text editor, and let's duplicate this text so that it looks long. Okay, so I am just, so let's say you can add any text here. You can change the text color from here. Okay, you can change the text color from here, style and everything. Now here I will put an image. So let's take an image element and put it here, and you can now upload, choose an image, upload from your PC. So let's say I will upload an image, this one, and it is uploading, and then select, and see the image has been uploaded. So we have uploaded an image. Now let's say I will put a button here. So take the button element and put it here, and you can change the button name. Let's say read more. Okay, and then here you can use the link where the button will take you. And if you select this one, this is the intersection settings, and then I will make the column vertical in middle so that the image is in the middle, and I'll hit update. Now if you reload this page, now let's say how it looks like. So if you reload the page, now you can see our first page has been created by Elementor. So this is a website, then we have text, and we have image, and we have a button here. So these are the basic elements that you will get in Elementor free version. And there are more, like you can see there is maps, icons, spacer, divider. So you can add map also. So if you go in the map portion, and if you just give say answer code, and it will show you the place where answer code is. Okay, so you can easily set up a map here. So this is actually what Elementor does. Elementor actually helps you to design websites element. So to design a website, you need Elementor, and with this Elementor you can easily design website. So in this video I am just giving you a basic idea about Elementor and Elementor Pro, what it does actually. Now let's say if you go to your dashboard, and here you can see, if you go to visit site, you will not be able to see the site. Okay, so for this we need to assign our page. So we have already created a page here. So we have already created a page here. So we need to assign this page as a static page. So for this you need to go to dashboard, then you need to go to settings and reading, and inside here you need to select a static page and select the home page as home, and then select save changes. Now this home page, it will change. See, now it will change to the page that you have designed. Okay, See, now we have our site title, then some text, some image, then button, and then a map. So here, if you go and select edit with Elementor, then you can edit this page with Elementor again, and it will load the Elementor page. And here you can see we have Elementor option. Now these are the log portion, that is form, portfolio, then carousel. So some of the element, these are for the pro version. So you need pro version for this one. That means you need to uh, buy the pro version, but don't worry, in my video description I will share the link to download the pro version that I have for the enterprise, and you can easily use it for free. So I already have the pro version, so I will go to plugin, install plugin, and then click on add new. And here you cannot get the pro version here, you need to upload. So I have the file, zip file, so I will choose and I will go to download. So this one is the Elementor profile as a zip file. Now click on open and install now. So we need to upload the zip file, and see our plugin has been installed. Now we need to activate the plugin. Now click on activate the plugin. So see, our Elementor Pro has been activated. Now here, if you go to this portion here, you can see we have the Pro plugin which is locked now. Now just to refresh your page, and you can see our Pro version is unlocked. Now you can use this Pro version. Let's say I am taking a new section, and then I am taking the profile, that is let's say I will take a clip box or media carousel. Let's say I will take a media carousel, and here you can choose some photos. So let's say I will take some photos here. You can see I am having this photo. So let's just duplicate this one for some time. So I will duplicate this one. So time consuming. Now you can see I am having this photo carousel. So you can have more options like form. You can have a form here. So this is a form. You can have an entry. So you can see there is a form here, name, email, and message. So form is unlocked, and you can unlock some more features here. Okay, so yes, this is about Elementor and Elementor Pro. So this is what Elementor and Elementor Pro is used for. I will share this Elementor Pro download link in a Google Drive in the video description, so check that out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do subscribe the channel and be with us. See you all in the next video.